fucking means something bad's about to happen. But there is some big A birds. I don't know if what they are, but look at that. There was just 3 of them perched up on that tree right there. They big. They big. Look at it. Look at it fly. Look at it. It's giant. It's bigger. It's big enough to pick up Duke. He's my small dog. He's 15 pounds. So they probably easily pick him up. Duke, quit it. Something rustling around too. Looking around for them birds, make sure they don't try to steal Duke. Because they probably will. There's Cam. He's 85 pounds. He's definitely too big for them birds. But Duke, he itty bitty boy. He itty bitty little boy. Ain't you Mr. Poopsie? He's 8 years old. He's an old boy. Ain't you? He's an old man.